basically, we do have a support@gmail.com that they can email us, and everybody gets that email. It gets operations manager, client services, the payroll, recruiter, everybody in this office gets the request. If Briley's not here, she's a sales manager. If she's not here, either me or Ruby, we try to contact the client to see what are their needs, when do they want it. We do recommend for it to give us at least 24 hours to get the people ready, to get a QC manager located, to get the supplies and everything that we need. And if we need anything, just to run out and just buy it. They can also call us, contact us. A lot of these clients have my personal phone number, Briley's phone number, so we're very good for them to contact us. We respond really quickly if it's either phone, email, message, text. We are very, very fast responders. We do a lot of construction cleans. And something that we've learned is if the construction company calls and says by this day, it's going to be a day or two after. They're never on time. Typically, they tell us sometimes like a day before, and I'm talking about 8 o'clock, sometimes even 9. So I'm calling all the cleaners, hey, we have to reschedule this. I apologize. And the cleaners are very open to it as well. They're like, oh, okay, just let us know, So, and we are very open to and flexible on that part. We work with the client as much as possible. Where do you want us? What time? If we have to reschedule, we can reschedule. There is no problem on that. If I'm out of the office, sometimes there has happened where I'm out of the office cleaning. We do restroom cleans for some parks. An accident happened and I just ran away out there. Sometimes on my way back, Ruby's calling me or, hey, we had another thing. I'm like, okay, I'm on my way. Like, I just cleaned something, so it's fine. I already have the equipment in my car, I just run the other way. So we are really fast rescheduling whatever you guys need. We're here for it.